Hello, today we'll be discussing the RSI divergence, the SMA, EMA, and the other trading indicators that are present. Firstly, we have the RSI. So, RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and the change of price movements, and it ranges from 0 to 100. If it is greater than 70, then the stock is considered to be overbought. If it is less than 30, it is considered to be underbought. Now the formula for RSI calculation is 100 minus 100 1 upon RS, where RS is the average loss or average gain in the stock over a 14-day period. Now RSI divergence is the second one. The divergence means that when the price action and RSI move in different direction. Now this is a powerful signal and it is mostly used by traders. So a bullish divergence means that the price is making a lower low, whereas the RSI is making a higher low. So this means that the trend reversal will likely be towards the up direction. And then we have the bearish divergence, where the price makes a higher high and the RSI makes a lower high, which means the trend reversal would be downward sided. Now we have the simple moving average, which is simply the average of all the closing price of the stock over a common period. The common period could be a 20-day period, a 50-day period, or a 100-day period. Now we have the golden cross when the 50-day SMA crosses the 200-day SMA. So that would be a signal to buy the stock. And when we have the death cross where the 50-day SMA is fallen below the 200-day SMA, so that would show us a bearish signal. Then we have the exponential moving average, where we give more weights to the recent prices than the older prices. It is more suited for various trading strategies. Now we have a crossover in EMA, where like EMA crossover signal can give us the entry or exit signal. When the 9 EMA moves over the 21 EMA, it can indicate a strong short term bullishness. Also we have other common technical indicator like moving average, convergence and divergence, like MACD, the Bollinger Bands, or the volume of the stock itself. And these are actually quite useful in generating a strategy and building up on that in order to make gains in the profit. Thank you.